Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install your BullX in your mobile device. So the first thing that we're going to do is to actually install Telegram because it is a built-in app in Telegram, so you cannot install it by itself. To install Telegram, let's go to the App Store and then let's search for Telegram. Once you see Telegram right here, just click on install and it will be installed in your device. And then wait for it to be installed. And then once it has been downloaded, just go back to the BullX login website and then click on this link right here. This link, you will see this button that says connect Telegram. As I have said, BullX doesn't have its own app. It is a built-in app in Telegram. So all you have to do is to click on this button right here, and then it will automatically be installed in your Telegram, and you can start trading and doing cryptocurrencies in the app itself. And that's how you install BullX on your mobile device.